It is Crypto Moose, and the moose is loose. As usual, I'm having a good day, even though I've lost thousands of dollars today in the market, but that's all right because we're hodling, we haven't sold, so it's all good. If anything, I'll have to pick up some more. Anyways, that's kind of where we're at. We're down in the market right now, but that's okay. All right, so what I want to talk about on this episode, and we'll get right into it, is MELD, and specifically their bank manager NFT. So what I'll do in this video is show you what I'm talking about. So here's a golden bank manager, and what you have to realize is that there's going to be 40,000 of these. So what happened is that MELD had an ISPO, so that's called an initial stake pool offering. And what that is it was an opportunity for you to delegate to their stake pool and earn an NFT. That's if you got into any of the ISPOs, any of the epochs. And you also had the opportunity to get a diamond hands as well and get some tokens. So what you could do is you delegate, instead of earning ADA, you would earn some MELD tokens. So kind of like a pre-IPO company where you can get in early, you could delegate to the stake pool and you would be rewarded with their tokens and possibly some NFT as well. So here's what the gold bank manager looks like. And I could cover this for quite a while because we've had a lot of delays. But personally, I think the art looks really cool. You can tell that they did a lot of work. The rendering seems pretty epic. I love this. What you have to understand is that I think the percentage is less than 0.05%. So there's only 10 out of 40,000. So do the math on that. But anyways, that is what it's going to look like. And Freeloaders is going to be the place where you can, I believe, connect your wallet and mint for it. All those details haven't come out yet. So we are very near the bank manager mint. So the mint is going to be where you mint for the NFT. I assume you're going to pay a transaction cost. And this is only eligible for the wallets that it got into the ISPO. So if we take a look at some of my Cardano wallets here, I believe 4 of these wallets I was in the pool. So I am Crypto Moose, and you can't all expect to be making moves like this. I'm sorry, it's just, I've been on top of things, right? The moose got loose and he got in with 4 different wallets. So if we go to the rewards here, basically I've been delegating for a while, and it was probably around this time, Epoch 200-ish, till here, and I got into the MELD ISPO with this wallet, and then I also got in on some of these other wallets. In fact, one of my wallets I created, I just put a bit of ADA in here. That was just to get in on MELD. Okay, so that was a long time ago. I forget the exact stake pool name. It's been gone. Maybe we could even look it up. So comment down below if you got into this stake pool at all. I'm wondering if this was the pool. Now I don't think there's any rewards left anymore. So you probably shouldn't be delegating here, but I think this is where I did do it. Some of my other favorite ones are Crow and DAP, D-A-P-P. So that's going to be DAP Central. Shout out Fareed, you're the man. So that is basically what I'm doing. And somebody else also mentioned to me I should probably be in Kopi Stake Pool. So I did that as well. So anyways, I got into quite a few. And because I got in on the first epoch with one of my wallets, I got one of the diamond hands. So we'll get into that in a little bit. So all I have to do is go to, I think, pool.pm. And if I go to Red Cape, here's one of my wallets. You can see the diamond hand NFT. So this was airdropped to me because I was in the first epoch for that delegation. Now, if you got into any of them, and by the way, there was about 4,500 that got this one, and then there was 40,000 that are eligible to mint the bank managers. So there's going to be 10 times the amount of bank managers. So this is what I want to get at. If we go to MELD here, these are 10 times rarer. Okay, so what I would do is I would probably divide 849 by 10, right? So it's not going to be much, probably 50 to 80 ADA. Hey Siri, what's 850 divided by 10?
850 divided by 10 is 85.
So 85, pretty simple math, right? Thank you, Siri. So yeah, so about 85, maybe 100 ADA. So if these come out, the bank managers, and obviously, if you get the gold one, you're going to sell it for a lot more. They're very rares. And I believe what these are going to do, they're going to allow you to get a higher APY when it comes to your staking. So what we're really talking about is being able to connect to MELD, and specifically when this official app comes out. So what you'll be able to do is have the NFT in your wallet, and then you can use it, and you will get a better APY for staking. That's going to be for the MELD Diamond Hands. For the bank managers, I believe that's going to be for the lending and borrowing. So you'll be able to get a better yield when you're borrowing against your asset, whatever it is. All these details aren't 100%, but this looks really nice, guys. So you can even read some of the comments. Looks amazing. I agree with that. We'll even give it a heart. And absolutely, I think these are looking good. And there's a little more info on the website. And yeah, I've just been a huge fan of this. And the art has changed a little bit, but I think this is more similar to what you will get. Mathematically, that's most likely what you're going to get. And the gold ones, I don't know if I would sell it. I don't know if I would. Maybe I would list it for like, I don't know, $1 million. If I'm gonna make $1 million on something I got in for free, heck yeah. So I'm gonna document myself minting this for sure. Comment down below if you're eligible, and out of 10, how excited are you? I need to know this. The moose needs to know. Another fun thing too is that they still have this going on too. So basically, when they airdropped your tokens, your assets, which were the MELD tokens, you were eligible to delegate or stake them right here. Okay, and basically, I think it was a 12% or a 15% APY. So I already took mine out, and then now I'm yield farming with the majority. And I think, yeah, I got about 40,000 in here. I did buy a bit. But yeah, that's basically where we're at with everything MELD. So again, let me know if you think the art looks sweet. I'm excited. I've been waiting at least a year, 2 years for this. So it's been quite a while. So it's going to be through freeloaders. They should update this soon enough, perhaps this week. And May 3rd, I believe this app is launching. So if you haven't been in the testnet, I did a video already going through the wallet, the staking, the supply and borrowing. So that's where what you're seeing here. And it's going to be interoperable through different blockchains, which I love, okay? So I don't want to get into it too much. Pick up a Diamond Hands NFT though. If you don't have one, I think it would probably be a good investment, not financial advice. It's just what I would do if I didn't have one. And yeah, comment down below what else you'd like to see on the channel. Also, I did launch a crypto and NFT masterclass. So right now it's 120 bucks. If you use the link in the description below, you can get up to 90% off. So the course is now 7.5 hours. I've been adding more and more content. You get lifetime access. You get a certificate of completion when you finish. You learn how to set up wallets, everything. If you were to pay me one-on-one, which people do all the time, they do Zoom consultations, etc. I help people with card investing. I'm just an absolute savage, right? I mean, I just can't help it. At this point, I just need to acknowledge it, right? The moose is getting loose. He's just getting better over time. At this point, it's just compounding. And there's not much I can do about it, okay? Okay, it's just the effects of the moose is like a big ball of snow going down the hill. It's just going to get bigger and better, okay? It's just the way it is. All right, so anyways, enroll in the course if you want to become more like the moose. If you don't, then there's something wrong with you. And if you haven't subscribed, then that's another mistake. So hit the subscribe button, like the video. If you don't like it, it's not my problem. There's something wrong with you. You don't like the video. Okay? And that's about it. Also, we have links for a Trezor. I do have an affiliate link in there. I mean, I've got Trezor hitting me up. Can you please, help us sell some wallets? They are a good product. And by the way, I've had companies reach out to me and I said, your product sucks, so I don't want to do it. The only companies I'm working with now is Trezor. I'm doing EliPal, and I'm also an affiliate with another brand. Who's the other brand? CQX. So I'll be doing a review with them as well. And I'm never going to share a product or pump a product or talk about a product that I don't believe in. I'll never do that. But I do own both of these devices. I absolutely love them. I love my EliPal, and we'll see what I think about the CQX. But anyways, that's all I have for you in this video. I'm so happy to have you all with me. Comment down below what other content you love the Moose to cover. So right now I'm just going to take a nap and try to avoid the fact that we're down 15% on Matic. Like, this is terrible. It's awful. You know what I mean? Like, guys, I could have went out to a nightclub binge drinking, spent $100. Instead, I put it into Matic. I lose 15%. Like, how am I even going to sleep well? Anyways, that's all I got. The Moose is getting loose. Gotta go. Love you all.